Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making a truly stunning dessert, Cathedral Window Gelatin, also known as stained glass jelly. I'll show you step by step how to create this colorful, creamy treat that's perfect for holidays and parties. Let's get started. Prepare and chill colors. Following package directions, prepare each flavored jelly powder separately. Pour each color into a shallow container like a loaf pan and chill them in the refrigerator until they are completely firm. This usually takes 4 to 6 hours or even overnight. Cube the jelly. Once firm, carefully cut each color block into small, uniform cubes about ½ an inch square. Combine cubes. Gently mix all the colored jelly cubes in the large mold or pan you plan to use for the final dessert. Do not overmix, as this can break the cubes. Prepare creamy base. In a saucepan, dissolve the unflavored gelatin powder in a small amount of water. Add the condensed milk, evaporated milk or cream, and any extra sugar. Heat the mixture gently, stirring until everything is fully dissolved and well combined. Do not boil the milk mixture. Cool and pour. Allow the creamy mixture to cool slightly until it is warm but no longer hot. Pour the cream base slowly and evenly over the colorful jelly cubes resting in your mold. Gently tap the mold on the counter a few times to help the cream settle around the cubes and to release any large air bubbles. Set and serve. Refrigerate the entire dessert until it is completely set and firm, usually another 6 to 8 hours or overnight. When ready to serve, slice and enjoy. For a clean presentation, use a non-stick mold or lightly grease your mold before step 1. Also, ensure you give the final dessert enough chilling time. Rushing this step results in uneven, sloppy slices. Troubleshooting common cathedral window gelatin problems. Everyone wants a flawless dessert, but sometimes issues arise during the step-by-step gelatin dessert process. Jelly cubes floating to the top. If the colored pieces float instead of staying suspended, your cream mixture was likely too thin when poured. Prevention: let the cream mixture cool and thicken slightly before pouring it over the cubes, or chill the final mixture in stages, stirring gently as it begins to set. Colors bleeding into the cream. This happens if the colored cubes are not cold enough or were handled roughly. Prevention: make absolutely certain the colored cubes are ultra cold and firm before cutting them. You can also pat them lightly dry before adding them to the final mold. Dessert not setting firmly. This is often a ratio issue. Prevention: ensure you use the correct amount of unflavored gelatin for the amount of liquid used in the creamy base. Avoid adding too much extra milk or water, and always allow adequate chilling time. Cream layer curdling. This occurs if the milk is overheated. Prevention: do not boil the milk mixture when dissolving the gelatin. Keep the heat low and gentle. Dissolve the gelatin in a separate bowl of water first, then add it to the warmed milk mixture. Easy variations, storage tips, and serving ideas for Cathedral Window Gelatin. Once you master the basic assembly, you can start experimenting. Customizing your cathedral window jelly variations allows you to tailor the dessert to any party theme or seasonal holiday. Fun flavor twists and creative shapes to try. The colors and flavors are entirely up to you. For a festive look, stick to classic red and green jelly for Christmas. For Easter or Mother's Day, use soft pastel colors like light blue, pink, and yellow. Flavor variations are simple too. Use tropical flavors like mango, lychee, or buko pandan extract in your white base for an authentic Filipino twist. If you want smaller, single servings, pour the final mixture into silicone molds or use cookie cutters on a sheet pan of set gelatin to create festive shapes before setting the dish in the cream base. A round bundt-style pan creates a stunning, elegant presentation. How to store, make ahead, and safely serve Cathedral Window Gelatin. One of the great assets of this dessert is its make-ahead potential and solid storage guidelines. This dessert keeps very well in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Always keep it covered with plastic wrap or a lid to prevent the surface from drying out and absorbing fridge odors. Do not freeze this dessert. Freezing and thawing will often ruin the texture, making it watery and soft. For serving, keep the gelatin chilled until the very last moment, especially if you are serving it outdoors or in warm weather. To get a clean, beautiful release from the mold, dip the mold briefly in a sink of warm water, do not soak it, and gently loosen the edges with a thin, flexible knife. This ensures a flawless presentation. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.